Prime Minister Modi has now tweeted on the triple talaq verdict. Judgment of Honorable Supreme Court on triple talaq is historic. It grants equality to Muslim women and is a powerful measure for women empowerment. That's the tweet that has been put out just 2 minutes ago by the Prime Minister on social media. So, of course, remember, twice in the last 1 year itself, Prime Minister had come out and spoken against triple talaq, has spoken for the rights and equality of women, saying that instant triple talaq must end. So he has already made his stand clear even before the verdict came out. Hina is on the phone line. Hina, Prime Minister Modi, they're also hailing the verdict, just like the other top ministers as well as the BJP chief.
Well, absolutely. Prime Minister Modi himself has just now tweeted, Tanvi, saying that judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court on triple talaq is historic. It grants equality to Muslim women and is a powerful measure for women empowerment. So there you have Prime Minister Modi himself reacting on this big issue. Remember, till now, saying that this issue is not just of any one particular religion or of any one particular faith. It is a matter of concern because it is an issue of gender equality, gender justice and gender dignity. And government also going further to say that triple talaq being declared unconstitutional is in a way a vindication of government stand, something that the government has been batting for, a big victory for the government, a big victory for women in this country.